hydrogen compounds. Hydrogen means in the year of 1662, Robert Boyle prepared a solution. Means it react with iron and sulfuric acid. That means iron and Fe. Iron react with H2SO4, sulfuric acid. It will convert into Fe to SO4. Ferric sulfate and iron sulfate plus liberated. That means release of the gas. What is the name of that gas? Hydrogen. So gas means it is called symbolic of gas. Yes. Here this is called symbol of gas. That means the arrow must to apply the upward direction. Which direction? Upward direction.